Can it be? Yay! Entering freeway. Today is August 6th, 2026. It's me and my cameraman's anniversary. Anyway, we're back up in LA and we're super excited because that route seems to imply we're going to go on the 101 back on the freeway. And I hope it's true. I hope it's true. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Out of uniform.
It's Capital Records.
Where?
It's going to be drive through this intersection.
Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for.
Hollywood and Vine. What's so special about Hollywood and Vine?
They treated us right.
No. Waymo respects pedestrians very much. Okay, this is starting to look good. This looks like it's freeway time. Can it be? Can it be? Yay! Alright, now entering freeway. We expect fast acceleration. Now it's being cautious because it can't see through that wall, but once it gets up here, it's gonna boom it. Must be the limit here, even though I think of it as 65 everyone, but it may not be 55 everywhere. I mean, it may not be 65 everywhere, obviously. Although I just had a horrible thought. What if Waymo's decided it's only going to do 55 on the freeway? That would be terrible. Terrible. Still not 65. Alright, that was a quick lane change by Waymo. But now it wants back in, it's weird. Whoa, so we missed, oh, for a second I thought we'd missed our exit because it showed us going straight, but we are now exiting the freeway. Oh, dog. And sure enough, there's the doggy. Yo. Doggy.
He appreciates the acknowledgement.
Yeah. a big dip.
It's kind of all red.
All right. Well, there's our freeway trip. Freeways are back. Rolling down Normandy. To keep an eye out. So we're going. The Lion Hotel is the former Wilshire Grand Plaza. We're heading into Koreatown, and I know the Normandy is on Normandy in Koreatown, so that'll be fun. Kind of cool with all this parked traffic here. Everything is indicated right there. Yeah, there's the Normandy. Yeah, that's right. It's like very close to Wilshire. And there's that burger shop at the bottom. Sells burgers. The Normandy. The Normandy. This is it. The line. The line. Nobody behind us, so we're not going to piss anybody off too much.
You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
Take your time. Nobody behind you. Hi. There's a Shepherd Ferry. Wow. The line kind of floats. Can you see it?